开始。
Good morning, everybody. My name is Ethan. I'm going to read Sun, Moon, and Wind. Sun, Moon, and Wind. Father Sky and Mother Earth have three suns. They are Sun, Moon, and Wind. Sun is very selfish. He doesn't care about others. He just takes and doesn't give. Wind is lazy. He stays home every day and doesn't like to move. Moon is a good, quiet boy, not like Sun or Wind. Mother Earth talks to Sun. Please think of others and try to help, she says. But Sun doesn't listen. Mother Earth is sad. Mother Earth talks to Wind. Don't be lazy. Go out and see the world, she tells him. But Wind doesn't listen. Mother Earth is sad. One day, Thunder and Lightning invite the three brothers to dinner. The three brothers go to their house. Father Sky and Mother Earth stay home. Sun and Wind are very greedy. They keep eating and eating. Moon, however, asks for some food to take home. When they get home, their father asks them, "Dear sons, what do you have for your mother and me to eat?" "Oh, Father, are you kidding?" says Sun and Wind. "We don't have time to think of you too." "Here, Father," says Moon. "This is for you and Mother." And he gives the food to his parents. "Thank you, Moon. You are nice. You shall always be peaceful." Then Father Sky looks at Sun and Wind. "You two are rude and selfish," he says. "I must punish you. Sun, you shall burn forever, and Wind, you shall run forever." "Oh no!" cries Sun and Wind, but it's too late. And that is why the sun is always burning and the wind always blowing. Thanks for listening.